So finally, I want to touch on the multi-species science as an idea that I just want to hold against you. So we said in this spaceship Earth view, where humans are steering the planet, we are becoming more and more aware that, of course, we are a part of the ecosystem. It influences us as much as we influence the system that we are a part of. But most of all, if we take this human-centric view, we miss a lot of the things going on. So for the longest time, fungi, which is a picture of the underground mycelium, they were not viewed as important. I think they saw them as plants originally, put fungi in the plant kingdom. And humans didn't realize that most of what fungi do is invisible because it's underground. And because we didn't see it, it wasn't deemed important, or we couldn't study it. But in fact, we realize now that fungi have taken a very important role in shaping the Earth, and even now have a very important role in balancing the Earth system, and might lead to intricate new solutions if we do take them into account. So these invisible worlds, like the fungi, can be made visible through science. So this is a diagram, a top view diagram of a transect with, I think, Douglas firs, some kind of fir tree. The green dots are the trees. And then all the lines are mycelium growth, connecting trees to other trees, communicating, sending out nutrients. And they made researchers are aware that there are certain trees that are hubs that are very important connecting points, and very important even for trees that stand like kilometers away. So if you look at this view, you can think of the fungi and the trees as subjects for studies, test subjects maybe, but you can also view them maybe as participants, or could we even view them as scientists or researchers themselves? So if you look at this, I'm not sure if this will play. I'm going to try and see if you can see this. It's a bit blurry, but it is a slime mold. It's a fungi. And it's a map of the Tokyo area railway system that is being created by the fungus by highlighting the stations with food, and the central Tokyo Central Station with a big, where it's starting from. And the fungi actually... I would say calculate, but it's not how a fungi works, but it actually grows in such a way that it makes the most efficient Tokyo railway station map. So they could be active participants in projects, possibly.